incel? You think you can just sit in your mom's basement and troll my videos? Here's a critique for you, shower. She won't make you any food anymore because you're 40 years old. I got a solution for you, and it's dummy proof. We're making a deep dish pizza. Okay, let's see. Okay, he's showing the ingredients, cool, great. He's got something in his pocket. Oh, you pussy, what are you, in ISIS? It's the great pizza debate. Pizzagate this, Pizzagate that. Who's got the best pizza, New York or Chicago? It's New York, but if you like Chicago deep dish, it's mostly because you don't want to feel anything, or you got broken up with, or you live in a basement and you play video games and you record yourself doing that. That is really dumb. Let's make the sauce. Sauce. You saw that episode already. I'm not getting into it anymore. What do we got in here? We got some beans, I got some sauces, I got some spices. Oh no. Don't tell my parents.
We're old school in this bit. Gotta put work. You gotta put the time in if you want it. Persistence is key. If you give up on this can, it's gonna go fuck some other cans. You're not having that because you care.
I like this shot. It's like an old school 90s sitcom. Sauce is cooking. Time to make some dough. I said, where is my money? Where is it? Thank you so much. That's a scene from my upcoming movie called Subscribe to My Fucking Channel, You Lazy Sack of Shit. I like Italian New Yorkers when they say, like, you call that a pizza? You call that thing with dough, sauce, cheese, and lots of toppings, put in an oven for about 400 degrees, taken out, sliced into 8 slices, and you're like, you literally just described pizza. No, that's a cake. Do anything you can to make sure the dough is ready. Just don't tell anybody. Make sure you stab a couple holes. Let it air out. You little bitch. You little bitch, take my money. You don't know me. I'm sorry. She took everything. That's what most of your self-tapes look like. Listen, I don't ask to be judged, but sometimes I ask for it. You think I was gonna eat this entire thing by myself? I'm not on Twitch. I don't need to eat a whole pizza. Please, God, please don't burn me. This pallet's worth $1 million. Okay, maybe like unemployment, but it's still worth a lot. Oh, yeah. Oh, you. Sleep well, my sweet prince. I'll see you in a little bit. Yeah. Make sure you follow, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm Chef Asshole.